Watching the Himalayas from Ranikhet on a clear day is a true delight. The seductive beauty of this entire region can be gauged from a statement of Von Pellant, who was once the ambassador of the Netherlands to India. The one who did not see Ranikhet, he did not see India. And I think it's not hard to see why. From Ranikhet, you can see some of the most famous peaks of 300 kilometers long visible Himalayan stretch, including Nanda Ghunti, Trishul, Maiktoli, Nanda Devi and others. With 180-degree views of the Himalayas, you will be mesmerized by the sheer grandeur of these majestic peaks. This video captures the essence of the Himalayas as seen from Ranikhet. But there is so much more to explore in this beautiful hill station. Ranikhet is a paradise for nature lover with its lush forests, rolling hills and clear blue sky. I hope this video has inspired you to visit Ranikhet and experience its magic for yourself. Don't miss out on this incredible destination that offers much more than the breathtaking views of the Himalayas.